Hello, everybody. My name is Kathrine and I live in Norway. And on a daily basis, my job is to work as an IT instructor. I do help people to learn all about new applications within Microsoft 365, social media, and now, of course, artificial intelligence. And the world is going so fast, and sometimes it can be really hard to keep up on everything. Now, I do know there's lots of training videos on YouTube and other places. However, some of these videos that I find are so quick, so it's kind of difficult to keep track on what's going on the screen. So the goal with my channel here is actually to make tutorials that are a bit slower. So you can kind of keep looking at the screen and you will follow along and see all the different things you can do. For example, in Microsoft 365 applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and so on. Anyway, I'm going to regularly post videos here, so please just subscribe and follow along, and hopefully I will give you some tutorials on the way that will be helpful also for you. So thanks for watching.